For those of you that own one of these Ryobi flashlights, what do you do when the bulb goes out? Well, you should just be able to replace it, right? Unfortunately, these bulbs can be a little bit hard to find. Well, I found a great LED replacement bulb that should be brighter and should last longer than these normal incandescent bulbs. Now here's the new LED bulb compared to the old incandescent one. As you can tell, the bases are pretty similar in size, but the top of course is a little bit shorter. That's because it doesn't need this glass bulb on top for it to work. So let's put this in the flashlight and see how well it works. Alright, for the moment of truth. Alright, that is quite bright. Wow, on my hand there. Anyway, here is the beam on a dark wall. You can tell that there is a main circle right here in the middle, so it's the brightest right dead center. But there is a nice shadow that forms around the total outside here. So overall, let's see this as a pretty good light. Good replacement, and it's quite bright on my hand there. Now this is a bright room, so it doesn't really do it true justice if you were outside, just if you're really bright. Now if you're interested in getting one of these bulbs, I paid about $9 on Amazon for it. I'll put a link to it in the description so you can check it out and possibly buy it for your replacement bulb. But overall, I believe I'm going to be very, very happy with this as a great replacement bulb.